Good morning, students. Today start the video of concept sheet understanding quadrilateral. Understanding quadrilateral. Your first question is number of vertices in octagon is equal to 8. Okay, students. Now goes to the second question. The measure of two adjacent angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Now look at the solution, children. Here adjacent angle are in the ratio 4:5. Now let angle A is equal to 4x and B is equal to 5x. Sum of consecutive angles in a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Putting the value of angle A and angle B, 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. 9x is equal to 180. Now x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Now put these values in angle A and angle B. Put these values angle A, 4x, 4 into 20 is equal to 80. 5x, 5 into 20 is equal to 100. Now angle A 100, angle B is equal to 100. Angle A is equal to 80, B is equal to 100. Now in a quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal. Angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 80. Angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 100, because opposite angle of our parallelograms are equal. Look at here, children. Angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 80. Angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 100. All of these angles in a parallelogram. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Question number 3. State true false if all the sides of a polygon are equal and all angles are also equal. It is said to be a rectangle. False, because opposite sides of rectangles are equal and consecutive sides are not equal. So this statement is false statement. Question 4. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. A convex quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon with each of its interior angle being less than 180 degree. Since a rectangle is a four-sided polygon with the value of each of the interior angle is 90 degree, which is less than 180, therefore rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Question 5. Which of the following is a formula for sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral of n-sided? Sum of all interior angle of n-sided polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Question 6. Find the measure of each in exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15-sided. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 15-sided is equal to 360 upon n. Now 360 upon 15 is equal to 24. State true false of each all angles of a quadrilateral are equal diagonals. This statement is false statement. Question number 8. Fill in the blank. A rectangle is an equiangular figure but not an dash are equal, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. How many sides does a regular polygon have the measure of an exterior angle as a measure of 165 degree? Now number of sides is equal to 360 upon exterior angle of a regular polygon. 360 upon exterior angle of a regular polygon divided here 360 upon 2.18181 and so on. So polygon is not formed. Polygon is not formed because here are decimals, values are decimals. Now question number 10. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD. Now 3x minus 4 equal to x plus 5. 3x minus x equal to 4 plus 5. 2x is equal to 9. Value of x is equal to 4.5. Value of x is equal to 4.5. Can trapezium have all angles equal? Can it have all sides equal? Explain. In trapezium parallelogram, parallel sides are may be equal to each other, but not all the sides and adjacent angle are supplementary. Not all angles equal. Not all angles equal. We can't have any trapezium that have all sides equal to each other and all angles are equal to each other. Question 12. A square was defined as a rectangle with all sides equal. Can we define the rhombus with equal angle? Explain this idea. Yes, because a rhombus become a square if its all angles are equal. Question 13. How many sides does a regular polygon have? Its measure of an exterior angle has a measure of 24 degree. Number of sides 360 upon each exterior angle of a regular polygon. 360 upon 24 is equal to 15. So number of sides is equal to 15. Question 14. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 1/5 of its interior angle. How many sides has the polygon? Let the interior angle equal to x, exterior angle equal to x by 5. Exterior angle plus interior angle equal to 180. X by 5 plus x equal to 180. X plus 5x upon 5 is equal to 180. 6x upon 5 equal to 180. X equal to 180 into 5 upon 6. 6 3 18, 35 is 150. Exterior angle x by 5 equal to 150 upon 5 equal to 30 degree. Number of sides is equal to 360 upon exterior angle of regular polygon is equal to 12. Equal 12. Number of sides is equal to 12. Question 15. State true false. If opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel and equal diagonal, does not bisect each other. That is the false statement. The statement is false. Fill in the blank. The adjacent angle of parallelograms are supplementary. Question 17. What can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of 8-sided? Sum of all interior angle and regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180. Put here the value of n is equal to 8. Put here the value of n equal to 8. 8 minus 2 into 180. 6 into 180 is equal to 1080. Next question number 18. Straight true false in a trapezium, the angles are not equal unless it is an isosceles trapezium. This is true. Question 19. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle of 22 degree? 360 upon each exterior angle. 60 upon 22, 180 upon average. So this polygon is not possible because decimals are not value in the sides. Question 20. Angle X, angle B, angle D and angle C are here. Now angle BAD is equal to 180 minus X, ABC 180 minus X, BCD and ADC is equal to 180 minus Z. Sum of all interior angle and quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now sum of these all angle 180 minus X, 180 minus Y, 180 minus Z, 180 minus W. 360 plus 360 minus 360 minus X minus Y minus Z minus W goes to the other side and plus sign here, X plus Y plus Z plus W. 360 cancel. Now X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360. X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360. Okay children, this video is over.